Hi, my name is Xiaoli Sang. We all know wear a mask can decrease the spreading of the virus. Today, I'm going to show you a way how to use a clean old t-shirt to make a mask for you and your family and without any sewing. All you need a piece of paper towel, an old t-shirt, a piece of paper you can draw, make a template for yourself, and a wire or pipe cleaner to make for the nose bridge, and a pen and a scissors. So the template roughly is 11 by 5, and the loophole is 2 by 1. So the pipe cleaner is 6 inch, and then you can sketch a template like this and cut your t-shirt with your template.